Had you ever wondered how a city rebuilds itself from the ground up after total destruction? Today, we dive into the story of Gdansk and its remarkable reconstruction following World War II. Gdansk faced severe destruction during World War II with significant infrastructure damage. Let's explore the context and how the city decided to rebuild. The United States provided $13.3 billion in economic recovery programs, equivalent to over $137 billion today, aiding Western European economies including Gdansk. Gdansk opted not for its previous Austro-Hungarian style, but chose to restore it in the Mannerist style that pre-existed. This decision gave Gdansk a distinct fairy tale allure seen in buildings like Deluga Street, the city's historical roots, such as the one extending from the Green Gate to the Old Town, were meticulously rebuilt to preserve cultural heritage and community identity. This reconstruction effort not only restored Gdansk's physical appearance, but also its spirit. It stands as a testament to resilience and the power of cultural preservation. The restoration work continues today, with ongoing projects like Deluga Street, ensuring that Gdansk's historical legacy endures for future generations. So there you have it, the story of how Gdansk rebuilt itself after World War II. What aspect of its reconstruction impressed you most? Let me know in the comments.